What is up, YouTube? Welshy back with another vid. I've not said that in a long time. Just kind of got away from my original intro. I hope you guys like the actual new intro that I threw on the video of me driving on Waverly Road. I just thought it was nice and simple. It kind of looked cool, and I've never really seen an intro like that before, so I thought it was original. But yeah, let me know if you like that down in the comments. But today, I actually just ran out to my work, Canadian Tire there, and picked up a K&N. Sorry, I just hit you guys off my window. I don't know if I gave you guys like a concussion or anything. But yeah, I went out to my work today and I picked up a K&N recharge kit. And you're wondering probably why I picked one of those up. It's because actually I bought a K&N Typhoon intake for my Civic. Me and my buddy Cooper just went out to a salvage yard and just kind of picked one up. So yeah, it's like a $300 intake and I picked it up for $17. I don't really know how I did that or what luck brought me to go there, I guess. I don't really know. But as soon as we pulled up, we're looking for like rear brakes for my car because I have discs and I'm trying, drums. And I'm trying to convert them to discs because they look ugly and I don't know, they just look better. But yeah, so it was just sitting there on the same Civic. It was blue, it was an SI. And yeah, it just had no hood on it and I just looked at it and I was like, oh my god, I've been looking for an intake forever. Like I need one. Well, I don't need one, but I prefer one because they look cool and they sound cool. And it was just too good of a deal to pass up, obviously. So let's head down there to check out the intake. Alright guys, so we're in my spare bedroom. Well, we're just ripped the floor up because we're putting new floor in. But anyway, the intake is right here. It's a K&N Typhoon intake by obviously K&N. But yeah, we're actually going to be cleaning this guy up today. I picked it up for $17 like I said. I'm probably just going to scrape all. I don't really have a grind or anything, but I'll just try to get some of this grease off because it looks pretty bad. Alright guys, so we got it all kind of set up, and the way you kind of go about using this directly is you apply the cleaner, which would be this one. You just apply it to the actual filter. You spray it on there and then you rinse the filter under a tap or just with like a water and like a brush. And then you dry it, and then you apply the oil, which is like a lubricant of some sort to kind of protect it, which is right here. So let's go get this under a tap and see if we can clean it up. Alright guys, so I cleaned off the intake. All that I had to do was remove all the gunk from it. You just take off all the dirt and it should be good as new. So you use the oil last in the cleaner. You just kind of spray it on there and let it soak for a couple minutes, and then you just rinse it off in the sink. I'm trying to do this outside because the chemicals are kind of harmful for the environment and stuff like that. So yeah, just be mindful of that. And yeah, let's go install this guy. I got the hood popped on the Civic, and there's the piping. And I got some of the hardware here and stuff. So yeah, let's go do this. So we got, let me actually put this over here. So there's 1 10 mil there, here, there. And then I think that's it for this box. Alright, so, oh my god, there's an ant crawling on my camera right now. So I got off the factory air box and I had to take the battery out because there's a 10mm right here. It's super hard to get out unless your extension's super long. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Just take off the bolts and then take off the rubber gasket or tubing thing off the throttle body and you should be good. But yeah, let's just go ahead and install the cold air intake. Alright, I'm hoping that stays, so help me Jesus Christ.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes it gets cold like.
Actually, it's TDI.
Brakes are fucked.
I think you got him though. I don't know, it was a pretty good race though.
Yeah, it was better than the last one. I didn't get any takeoff at all in the last one. Transmission's fucked.
Is it?
I just put it in last week too.
Oh fuck.
The only reason you hear it squealing is because I got a different size tire on
the back, yeah.
No.
Wow, that's pretty close.
I think James beat him.
Smash. My biggest issue is I can't grab second gear. Obviously, you want to tell you in the middle.
I'll throw my bra.
Ah, fuck.
Fuck you.
Fucking Jew.
Yeah. Hey.
1, 2, 3, hold it. I fucked Buddy up.
One on the right.
All right, round 2, let's go.
good.
Go. Whoa. Hold. Get around 3, let's go. Go for a second! Oh, you waited too long.
Poor
You gotta go for first 2 seconds, not 8 seconds. Double clutch.
This is funny.
What